Okay, now that we've drawn our unit circle, as you can see, we have two value representing two angles representing the value of square root of 3 divided by 2. Those value are pi divided by 6 and minus pi divided by 6, or 11 pi divided by 6. 11 pi divided by 6, you can get it like this. You got minus pi divided by 6 plus 2 pi, because you're going to make a complete round around the circle until here to 0 here, so it's going to be plus 2 pi, and by adding both you will come to the result 11 pi divided by 6. So now that we have the two value, we can now say that our solution, the solution to our first question that we have here will be, we get two of them. The first one will be pi divided by 6 plus 2 pi k, with k a constant that could have the value 0 plus minus 1 plus minus 2, etc. It means that pardon, it means that from here, when you're going along the curve, the unit, the circle, this k can bear different value. Like it can have 0 if you're here, it can have 1 if you're somewhere here, right? It can have minus 2 and whatever value you think, right? So in the second solution to our problem is 11 pi divided by 6 plus 2 pi k, which is also with k bearing the same value as what we have above. So those are the solutions to our problems.